Hi, I'm going to give an overview here of this 30-meter IR dome camera that's available on the tvtrade.ie website. So basic specifications on this set, it's 700 TVLs, it's a very high quality image comes out of it. It comes with 36 LED lights here for excellent nighttime vision. It has a varifocal lens from 4 up to 9 millimeters and it's vandal resistant. Okay, so what comes in the actual kit is this camera here, which we'll cover in some detail in a moment. This is the outer box that it comes in. It comes with a user manual, an Allen key, and also we have 3 screws, 3 plugs, and what we have here is some bolts which are just removed from this particular thing. And the idea of this is just to give a quick demonstration of how we mount this. So what we'll do here, when we're going to adjust this and things like this, we can come along and can loosen off these screws like this, and it'll allow us to take off this outer cover like this. And we'll see how we have an inner sleeve inside here, and we get into the actual dome camera here now. So you can see it's a ball, and it just sits on this rubber base here, so it can sit. And what we can do is, if we're going to adjust it, we can just adjust it here or around, and then we can just lock it into that particular thing. So there's a very high level of adjustability on it. When we come to actually mount this onto a wall or a ceiling, whatever, what we can do is we'll just take off the base here, mark out the 4 guide holes, and use the plugs and screws that you see in front of us here to mount this directly on the base. And then what we can do is, when we're running the cable around, we'll just run it directly through here. There's a little slot here, and so it means that we can neatly mount it like that. So probably what I want to do at this point here is that I'm just going to come along and actually connect this to the DVR, and we'll just focus it onto our board behind and look at it on the monitor and see what type of picture resolution we're getting. And I'm going to show you how we can bring up on-screen monitors with this as well. So what I've got here is, I'm just going to adjust this in here, and I'm just going to aim that directly over there for now, and I'll just connect it into our power here. Just wait a moment now. Power lead, excuse me. Here we have it. And now we have the picture coming in here. And I'll just adjust that around now. So I have it upside down, and now we have it perfect. So you can see here, in terms of the picture resolution, it's absolutely fantastic, okay? So it's a really, really impressive camera from that. But not alone that, you can actually bring up an on-screen menu here. So if you see this little button that's available here, you can actually adjust directly a pile of the settings on the camera, from the camera itself. So if we just click here, this button, we can see we can adjust the lens, we can adjust the shutter, the white balance, the background lighting, picture adjustment, so motion detection, we can set it on or off, etc. And when we're finished our adjustment, we can just hit the exit thing here and bring it out. So you can see here it's a really high spec camera, and in terms of it's a new low cost supplier we have in this particular one, so the price that's coming in is extremely impressive. So that's it anyway. It's a part of a wider range of cameras, DVRs, cable connectors, power units, etc. that are all available on our website. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 30-meter dome IR camera available on tvtrade.ie.